show me number 5. Show me number 18. Number 18. Show me tall book. Show me tall book. Come show me. Tall book. Show me circle. Show me circle. Go and show me circle. Show me oval. Oval. Show me oval. Sanvi, show me number 7. Come show me. Show me number 20. Go. Show me triangle. Show me rectangle. Rectangle. Afia, show me number 11. 11. Show me. Show me 1717. 1717. Show me, come. 1717. Show me. 1717. See this line. 1717. Show me short book. Show me circle. Show me circle. Show me oval. Show me triangle.
Advita, pick one number. Tell what is that number.
82.
Pick another one.
77.
Pick one shape, Nana. Advita, pick one shape.
Rectangle.
Show properly. Show me properly.
Rectangle.
Pick another one.
Triangle.
Okay. Pick more pencils.
More pencils.
Less pencils.
Pencils.
Okay. Pick heavy object. Heavy object. Light.
Light.
Very good. Advita, do addition.
2. Less. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Sanvita, do.
3. 1, 2, 3 plus 6